Hey guys, today we are going to change battery charging animation on Android. Right now I am using Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, and the charging animation for this phone is a little bit boring and a bit underwhelming. That's why I am going to show you how to change your battery charging animation if you want your phone to be more stylish and customized. Speaking of making your phone more stylish, please check out the videos on our channel. We've covered how to use live wallpapers, change notification sounds, and many more. I am sure you will like our content. Now let us go back with the video. If you want to change your battery charging animation, one crucial step is downloading an application from Play Store. Don't worry, it only requires a little space, is safe, and works perfectly. The application we will need to download to change our battery charging animation is Pika Charging Show. So let us go to Play Store and search for it. What's good about Pika is it's free and works perfectly fine on your Android smartphone. Now let us stop install and wait for it to finish installing. Downloading this application may take a while depending on your internet connection. Once the app is installed, the next thing we want to do is open the app. Now let us hit agree and continue. Here you can pay for unlimited access. However, we are going to use this app for free and just hit close. Now to change our charging animation, let us tap charging animation. Now what we want to do is look for charging animations on the free zone. The next thing you want to do is select the animation that you want to use. And here we will see the animation. To select this animation, let us just tap check and then let us click set now. Now it will lead us to display over other apps. Let us just scroll down and look for the application. And here is Pika Show. Now what we want to do next is enable allow display over other apps, and then let us go back. And then let us tap check again. And then tap set now. And there you go. We have successfully changed our battery charging animation. Now I will charge my phone and let us see if it actually works. And as you can see, once you are charging your phone, it will automatically show you the charging animation. And that is all, everyone. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our content. Thank you for watching.